Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at this amvontz electronic luggage scale. So this was provided to me by the distributor, but they're not compensating me for this video and they're not reviewing it before I post it. If you find this video helpful, I'll put a link to this in the description on Amazon, and if you use that link it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost anything extra. So it says comfortable touch with rubber paint, room temperature display, so this has a thermometer in it, 0 and tear, 0.44 inch or 11.3 millimeter LCD digits, low battery overload indication. The capacity is 50 kilograms or 110 pounds. The graduation is 10 grams or 0.02 pounds. It's powered by a CR2032 coin cell. Here we have care and maintenance. It says to wipe with a damp cloth to clean it. Do not stress the triangle ring for a long time and keep it away from babies and children. So here's the scale. It came with a coin cell. So this says plus and minus, so the coin cell will go in like so. There we go. So this has a strap here that has a hook. So you would hook this around the handle of your luggage and hook it on there. Turn it on, we press the on. It looks like this is backlit, yes, and it says if idle this will switch off after a minute. Let me see if this is easier to read with my light off. So we can press unit. So here we have kilograms, pounds, temperature in Celsius, and temperature in Fahrenheit. So if there's weight on it, I'll pull on this a little bit. We can press the on off to zero it out. Of course I moved a little bit. Then if I let go, you can see now we have negative weight. To turn it off, we can hold down the power button. It will turn off. So I'm going to weigh some things with this. Here I have a bag. So I'll take the strap, I'll loop it around the handle. I'll hook it back on. Now I want to turn it on while it's not reading anything with nothing on it. So I'll relieve the tension there. Turn it on. It's at 0. Now I'll lift it up. And here we have 90.2 kilograms or 19.88 pounds. So inside of this bag I actually had a weight, so I'll just weigh this on its own. So this is 6.66 kilograms or 14.68 pounds. And this is a 15-pound weight. And you can't expect this to be super accurate. It's not a real expensive weight or anything. Here's a jug of laundry soap. Zero this out. So here we have 10.76 pounds. Or 5 kilograms. That's almost exactly 5 kilograms. Let's try something lighter weight like this wrench. Now I'm just going to hang this off the hook itself. So that's 0.38 kilograms or 0.84 pounds. Here I have a bicycle. This will be a little tricky. I need to find out where it balances. So I got 21.5 pounds there, or 9.9 kilograms. It's a little bit of a workout holding that in front of the camera. So that's a pretty slick luggage scale. I find it pretty easy to hold. It fits into my hand nicely here. This hook seems very secure, but easy to attach, so you can just wrap it around and you can put quite a bit of force on there. I like that this is very small and lightweight. So when you're going on a trip, you may want to weigh your luggage before you leave, so you might have this at your house. But then you really should have a scale that you could take with you, so when you're on vacation, if you acquire items like souvenirs and such, you can weigh your bag before you get on the plane to come home. So I was in a situation once where we got to the airport, I put the bag on the scale, and our limit was 50 pounds, and we were just over 50 pounds, so I had to dig through my bag, take something out of it, and put it in another bag. Had we had a luggage scale like this, we could have avoided that and just taken care of everything at the hotel. So that's the amvontz electronic luggage scale. That's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.